Your fan club in the UK is listening right now on Z1035.com, so hello to all of them.
You always the girl who would give me girl advice whenever I needed it. My best friend in the world. My friend said you were fine, but I was always denying it. Then one summer day, I saw you laying by a swimming pool, and I was thinking, damn, you really changed. You're not the quiet girl I used to know.
Hi everyone, Abby here. First vlog, so forgive me. Anyway, just to update you on our study news and stuff, fans in the UK from our Twitter, UK Honor Society. And to get started, Honor Society is still on the Fashion Relay tour. They're in Long Island, according to this morning's tweets. So lucky Long Island is all I can say. And also they've released a competition for fans to get backstage on their Over You shoot in LA. Lucky LA. Kitten just made a funny noise. Jason's dad uploaded a video on YouTube. If you're not following him, you're subscribing. I can't speak. Subscribing him on YouTube, you should. Honor Stepping on Extra. And Michael said, and I quote, that they have the best female fans in the world, that they're beautiful, they're smart, they're strong, and they're awesome. All I can say is, back at you, Michael. Yes, that was awesome. That was when they performed on the Today Show in New York in front of like 6 million people, Alex said. So that was pretty cool for them. They've introduced a new YouTube series, purrs. They've had 3 so far. Tour rule number 1, no leather at sound checks. And all I can say is, Jason, you're my favourite person by far, because when you went to change, that was amazing. Second one was why throw rubbish away when you leave it on the counter. And Alex's face as he watched Jason walk away, priceless. Okay, you should just pause it right then. Just watch Alex, watch Jason walk away. It's amazing. The third one, hosted by Jason. Tour rule number 52. No number 2 on the bus. That was genius, okay? Whoever thinks of these is amazing. On to the tweet of the week.
I see you in the dark.
This goes to Alex at The Pistol. If you're not following him, follow him now. His tweet was, have you ever crashed 2 weddings in one morning by accident? No, Alex, we haven't, okay? Then his next tweet was, I swear I was just looking for the hotel's continental breakfast buffet. Nice, Alex, is all I can say. I'm sure those 2 people are very happy that you crashed their weddings. In other Twitter news, as everything's Twitter news, because we're a Twitter-based fan site, Alex, you're like totally my favourite person right now. He quoted the lyrics from The Main. If you've not heard of The Main, YouTube their music, especially Everything I Asked For. It's the best song ever. But Alex quoted everything and just a little bit more tonight, right? So I was thinking, oh my god, that's me. And then I went onto his page and he like tweeted back at someone that is super lyrical identification or something only Alex would say. And she had said it was The Main. So Alex, you know, love it. And also get better, because you said you were sick. And I wish you well. I don't want you to be sick. It's not nice. In other news, Alex is looking for a lady. I'm right here. I'm joking. I'm going to edit that out. In other Twitter news, that's going to be like my saying, Mandy has like, it's like a time travel. Honor City from Madura. Jonas Brothers have We Love You. Mine's going to be, in other Twitter news, Mike's brother, at JBoomer20, he tweeted the other day, so last year, me and the collective HS family used to sing all the words, but now the crowd sings so loud you can barely hear the band. I think that is awesome, okay? I am so proud of them, even though they've never came here. And I've never seen them, but I'm so proud of our society, because they're like amazing, and they deserve it all. And just to hear Michael's brother say things like that, it's awesome. His next tweet was, can't get the smile off my face from last night, from the concert. It's obviously a good concert, which means Honor Society, you need to come here and do one, so we can like get in on all this awesomeness, okay? Good. You know the way Honor Society is big into snuggies, and Andrew tweeted a picture of him and Alex, because fans had bought the Ninja Turtle ones. Have you ever been on a snuggie website? you cold but don't want to turn up the heating? And blankets, they slip. Snuggies! If you've never been to the website, go to the website just to watch that video, okay? You can also get Snuggies for dogs. Alex has Willis got one because she looks so cute. Comes in pink or blue. You get Willis the pink one and it has sleeves with her paws. Oh my god, it's so cute. On to other news. I do not like Sandy on show right now because on her site are giving away buy one get one free tickets. How awesome is that? If you did not buy them and you live in those areas, you must be stupid. Okay? Buy one get one free. That is like you buy one and you get another one. And that means two people can go for the price of one. Okay? Reach it. You just need to come here, okay? I don't care if I have to pay out my arm for your tickets. I just want you to come here. Please. My kitten says please. And I was re-listening to Bash Blade like I do every day. And in Two Rebels, my favourite bit is that voice. Have you heard it? You know where it's like everybody's fast asleep, but we're still rehearsing. It's like everybody's fast asleep. That is the best noise ever. Okay? In other news, I just like MTV Buzzworthy because everyone was retweeting it and it was doing my nothing because they had a video where on our side were doing like track by track Bash and Blade. We can't watch it because we live in the UK. Okay? Germany could watch it. Why can't we? MTV Buzzworthy? So someone put it on YouTube, please, so I can see it. I want to see things like that, okay? So MTV Buzzworthy, let us watch it in the UK. Or someone put it on YouTube. Please. Please. I'm being yelled at. Wow. Someone posted the acoustic set from the mall last weekend, actually. So it's like old news. But it's featured it on the YouTube channel. Watch it. And I love the bit where Mike's like, we're going to play the bonus track, do you know what it is? And everybody's like shouting like, where are we? And then Mike just laughs and he's like, see, I'm over you rebel now. That is like the best bit ever, okay? Anyway, I just want to sum this up. This weird chat. It's not even a chat, it's a video log. I just want to say thank you for following me. UK Honor Society. If you're not following us, follow us. Even if you don't live in the UK, we just need more followers because we want to show Honor Society quite awesome for UK Honor. Don't forget the challenges. I want to see you all honor rolling. Send them in. We're going to compile them in a video. Send them to Honor Society. Also, I'm going to Birmingham Jonas concert and the Newcastle Jonas concert. I'm going to arrange like a meet outside for such giant honor rolls. And I know that 20 of you are going to the Birmingham one. So we're all going to meet and do honor rolls for the honor roll. And I also have another challenge lined up for when we hit 400 followers. It's going to be awesome. I hope. So thank you again and hope you like this video log. Comment, rate, subscribe. Leave comments of what you think that we should see in it. And let me know what I can do to do better. So that's all for now.
Dark, see you in the dark.